Are you thinking about hiring a lawn care service? Hold up. Before you spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars this season, let me give you 7 reasons why doing it yourself isn't just better for your lawn, but better for your wallet, your schedule, and your peace of mind. DIY lawn care might be the smartest move you make all year. Do you ever look at your monthly expenses and wonder where all your money is going? If you're paying for a lawn care service, chances are a big chunk of that is heading right out the door with every mow and every fertilizer application. Most lawn care services charge hundreds of dollars per month, especially during the growing season, and that adds up really fast. And sure, it might sound convenient, but over the course of a year, you're spending enough money to buy a brand new mower, a premium spreader, and all the fertilizer your lawn needs with cash to spare. When you go the DIY route, you're not only investing in your own tools and products, you're not paying someone else's labor and equipment. And the best part is, those tools, they don't expire after one season. A good mower, a quality sprayer, and a spreader can last you for several years. Products like fertilizers and weed controls, well, you buy them when you need them, on your schedule, at your budget. So yeah, doing lawn care yourself might take a little more effort, but the savings, they're real, and they stack up really quick. Another big reason to go DIY is that you're in control. When you hire a lawn care company, you're trusting that they use the right products, applying them correctly, and showing up when your lawn actually needs the attention. But let's be real, your lawn might be stop number 6 on a 12-yard route that day. And with DIY, you call the shots. You decide exactly what goes on your lawn, whether that's organic fertilizers, specialty weed controls, or soil amendments tailored to your grass type. You also pick the timing based on your conditions, not some generic schedule someone printed off in the spring. No more mystery chemicals. No more, sorry we showed up the day after it rained. Just your lawn, your way, with care and attention that no one else is gonna give it. And here's the truth. Nobody is gonna care for your lawn like you do. And when you're the one mowing it, feeding it, watering it, walking it every few days, you start to notice little things like the dry patch starting to form on a sunny corner, or a few weeds popping up where they weren't last week. And as for lawn services, yeah, they're in and out. Quick mow, quick spray, and on to the next. But you're in tune with your lawn. You can make changes right away. Tweak that mower height, switch up your watering schedule, maybe try a different product, whatever it takes. That personal touch adds up to better results. Greener grass, thicker turf, and the kind of curb appeal that makes your neighbors slow down when they drive by. Because in the end, a lawn cared for by its owner just hits different, and it shows. Let's talk about one more huge advantage of DIY lawn care, and you're on your own schedule. When you hire a lawn care service, you're stuck waiting. Maybe they show up on a random Tuesday at noon, or maybe they reschedule because of rain, or maybe they show up late after hitting every other house on the route, and by then, the conditions aren't even right for your lawn. But with DIY, you work when it works for you. Early morning mow before work? Done. Sunday morning fertilizer session? No problem. You're not rearranging your life for someone else's schedule. You're fitting lawn care into yours. It's your time, your lawn, at your pace. And that's the kind of flexibility that makes the whole process easier and way less stressful. DIY lawn care isn't just about saving money or getting better results. It's about gaining real skills. You start understanding your soil, recognizing grass types, figuring out how and when to feed, how to read product labels, how to solve problems when they pop up before they get out of hand. And that is knowledge that no lawn care service is ever going to sell you, because their goal is to keep you dependent. But when you do it for yourself, you're investing in something way more valuable than just a green lawn. You're building confidence and the know-how that lasts a lifetime. And hey, once you get it down, you can help your neighbors, your family, and you might even want to pass it on to your kids. And that's something no company truck could ever deliver. And there's one benefit that a lot of people overlook in DIY lawn care. It is seriously good for your mental health. There's something about getting outside, putting your hands to work, and just being present with your lawn that hits different. No emails, no screens, no stress, just the hum of a mower, the smell of that fresh cut grass, and chances are it's going to clear your head. It becomes your time. A little weekly reset where you can unplug, move your body, and take pride in something that you're building and maintaining. And when you step back and see those fresh mowed stripes or a thick green lawn that you worked for, that is real satisfaction. That's therapy without the copay. And once you get it, yeah, it's actually fun. And let's be honest, there's something special about bragging rights. When a neighbor walks by and says, "Dang, your lawn looks amazing. What do you use?" And you get to smile and say, "I do." The pride of ownership. You can't buy it. It comes from putting in the work, learning as you go, watching your lawn transform because you made it happen. It's more than just grass. It's a reflection of your effort, your care, and your consistency. And that feeling in the moment when people start asking you for advice, that's when you know you didn't just grow a lawn, you earned it. And at the end of the day, DIY lawn care just makes sense. You save money. You're in control. You will get better results because no one is going to care for your lawn like you. You work on your schedule. You pick up real life skills. You get to get outside, clear your head, and actually enjoy the process. And when someone says, "Hey, your lawn looks amazing," you get to say thanks. I did that. It's way more than just lawn care. It's ownership. It's pride. And honestly, it feels pretty dang good. My name is Devin. I'm the DIY Lawn Coach. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like always, I can't wait to see you in the lawn. Peace.